customer's furnace isn't working. Got to get to the furnace by going under the house. But this is actually pretty nice. Got padding and light. Alright, we've got red and green lit, which is normal operation. Gonna jump. R&W. Oh, it's not magnetic. Alright. Back. Wow, what is that? What is that? Our inducer is making some weird noise. Alright, I'm gonna pull that off. Alright, I'm in the process of trying to get this inducer out. So far I've removed 2 blue wires off of that safety, and I removed the orange off of the pressure switch. I've removed that hose off the pressure switch and the inducer. Unplugged that Molex plug, this Molex plug. Took off the ground that was screwed into the unit. And now I'm getting stuff out of the way to unscrew the inducer. Okay, we are taking out the inducer. What I didn't show you in the video is that before I started taking all this apart, I did run the furnace without the exhaust hooked up to see if that would make a difference, and it did not. So we've got an issue with our inducer for sure. Okay, all the screws are out. I just gotta maneuver this out from all the wires. I got it off. Pulled this off, looked inside. Only had a little bit of water, but when I spin it, rubbing against the plastic, don't think anything's inside, but everything there looks good. Don't see anything abnormal there. We're back. We've got the new inducer in there. And the jump R to W to turn on the heat. Inducer's running. Let's check it out. Igniters, yeah, getting hot. Wait for the click. There it is. There it is.